Hello friends, my name is Khudkar. I do the regular maintenance of my Mahindra vehicle. In this Mahindra Do-It-Yourself series, I will guide you with those regular vehicle maintenance procedures that you can do yourself. This will help you to keep your vehicle downtime low and running time high. You know very well that the more your vehicle runs, the more you earn. In this module, we will see how to replace the air filter. Air filter removal procedure. Air filter installation procedure. The part required is air filter, either cleaned or new. The tools required are the 10 mm spanner and optionally mounting screws. Clogged air filter affects engine performance and fuel efficiency. Let us first look at the air filter removal procedure. Always switch off the ignition before removal procedure. If driven on unpaved, dusty roads or in rainy weather for long, inspect and replace filter regularly. Start the air filter removal procedure by firstly opening the bonnet. Disconnect the HFM sensor electrical connector. Using 10 mm spanner, pull out the mounting screws. Remove the air filter element from the air cleaner housing. This completes the air filter removal procedure. Now, let us look at the air filter installation procedure. Refit the air filter element gently inside the air cleaner housing. Refit the air filter housing mounting screws. Then connect the HFM sensor electrical connector. Lastly, close the bonnet. This completes the installation procedure of the air filter. Friends, it is super easy to do the regular maintenance of your vehicle. Be a Khudkar like me and start doing the Bolero pickup maintenance yourself.